What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the channel. Today, I guess we're going to start episode 1 of, I don't know how many. It's going to take a few, maybe. And I might do it all in one. Hell, I don't know. But anyway, today, we're going to start the process of V8 swapping my street truck. I bought this engine, if you've seen the update video, $550. Bought the whole truck, took everything out of it I needed. So, as you see it sitting right there, that's it. That's the 350, 5.7 liter. And today I'm going to clean it up. We'll see how well this goes, but if you look, yeah, she's pretty grungy, to say the least. Got all kinds of nasty stuff. So we're going to take this 350 and we're going to make it look new again for less than 20 bucks. So what we did was we went down to our local Dollar General, which I think there's Dollar General in just about every small town, big town, city in America. And this is, as far as I'm concerned, the only way to clean up an engine for less than 20 bucks. So I've got this 5 cans of Dollar General brand. They should give me a promotion for this. Oven cleaner. And over here I have this Walmart pressure washer, 3100 psi. Works pretty good. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the Dollar General bag, which they were ever so nice to provide for me, and I'm going to take this bag and we're going to place it over the throttle body. That's going to keep the water out. I'm going to attempt to use good old painter's tape, and we'll just put that bag on there, and then we'll run some tape around the edge of the throttle body. Like so. Make sure we get it around the lip so that when you're pressure washing it, you can't blow it off. You don't want to pull it too snug because you'll break the tape, but you want to get it just snug enough to kind of form a little bit of a gasket. And then just tuck it back out of the way. That'll aid in keeping water out, just like that. Now that thing there don't matter. A little bit of water in there ain't gonna hurt much. It's not gonna set for very long. That's the CPI injection connector, so that's where you plug your injectors in at. I've got the wiring harnessed off of this engine is in the garage, and I'll clean it up and sanitize it as I'm putting it in the truck. But we got her all hooked up to the engine crane. So let's go ahead and jack her up. This old Duralast engine crane has jacked up a lot of engines. The first one I bought, I had to warranty it out. It didn't like picking up my big block. I think what we're going to do, since I don't have any editing software, we'll do this part in 2 parts. So we'll start the engine soaking with the Dollar General oven cleaner. Let's see here, read the directions. Grill cleaning instructions: fast dry cleaning, warm oven, convenient overnight cleaning, cold oven, barbecue grill cleaning. Uh-oh, it doesn't say you can use it on an engine. Well, let's see what happens. So you just apply it randomly, get a good shake out of it. This will not hurt your engine. It is corrosive. And I recommend, if you're a panty waist or have soft hands or no calluses, I recommend you put on rubber gloves. Try not to spray this stuff directly on your alternator, because it can corrode the bearings. This AC compressor, we don't care about it, because we're going to use the one that's on my 6-cylinder, because I like my AC to work, and this compressor's no good. Get it in there. See that foaming action going on? Don't breathe it either. It's a good idea to wear a mask. If you get it in your eyes, it burns. We recommend wear safety glasses, personal protection of some kind. I'm old and stubborn. I've been doing this a lot of years, and I just don't care anymore. Can 1. Press here and here. That don't work. Hey, I dropped the phone. Imagine that. Try and do everything with an iPhone. See how that works. So we did the other side of the engine. We definitely don't want to spray this directly in orifices. So you don't want to spray it down inside your CPI connection or down inside your throttle body. But you want to get it in there so you can have a chance to soak into that grease. This is an early block. It's got a fuel pump boss. It's just plated off. Remember, we're not trying to spray it directly in that alternator. But we want to make sure we get it where the nasty's at. So when I get done with this engine, it'll probably leak like a sieve. So I'm going to have to more than likely re-gasket it. Get the power steering lines. Get the cap. Oh, there's can number 2. It's a good place for that. Put them caps on tight so kids can't get into this stuff and use it. If you're real grungy, see how grungy that is? Look at all that foam. You might have to do this more than once. I think I'm going to call this build series a V8 swap a half-ton truck for less than $1,000. Not too concerned about that starter because I don't think I'm going to be able to use it anyway. I'm probably not going to use this alternator either, but that doesn't mean we want to ruin it. I've got have a higher amperage alternator. Make sure we get everything coated real good. That flywheel we're not going to use. That oil pan we're not going to use. We'll probably put a new rear main seal in it. So, after you coat the engine with the oven cleaner, follow the instructions on the can. It says to let it sit for 5 minutes. It says, if you look here, cleans in 5 minutes. Well, we're 12 minutes into this video and I don't like to go much over 15, so the next video will be of me washing the engine off with the pressure washer right there. I'll just clean it right there, swinging from the hoist. But anyway, if you like this upload, give me a big thumbs up. Go on ahead and click the subscribe button, ring the bell. You'll get notifications when I put up videos. Yeah, so have fun.